Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to teach a cat to come when called? Let's explore! Teaching a cat to come when called can be a fun and rewarding training experience that strengthens the bond between you and your feline companion. While cats may not naturally respond to commands in the same way as dogs, they can learn to associate certain cues or signals with positive rewards through consistent training and reinforcement. One effective method for teaching a cat to come when called is through positive reinforcement training. Start by choosing a specific word or phrase, such as come or your cat's name, as a cue for calling your cat. Use a calm and inviting tone of voice when calling your cat, and avoid using negative or threatening language that may scare or intimidate them. Next, create a positive association with the cue by offering a high-value reward or treat whenever your cat responds to the command. Choose treats that your cat finds particularly enticing and rewarding, such as small pieces of cooked chicken, tuna, or commercial cat treats. Begin training sessions in a quiet and familiar environment with minimal distractions, such as a small room or quiet corner of your home. Call your cat by their name or the chosen cue and wait for them to come to you. When your cat responds and approaches you, immediately praise them and offer a treat as a reward. Repeat this process multiple times during each training session, gradually increasing the distance between you and your cat as they become more comfortable and confident with the command. Additionally, you can use toys or interactive games to encourage your cat to come when called. For example, you can use a wand toy or laser pointer to lure your cat towards you while using the cue come or their name. Reward your cat with praise and treats when they respond to the command and engage in play with you. Consistency and patience are key when training a cat to come when called. Be patient and persistent in your training efforts, and reward your cat for their efforts and progress, even if they don't respond perfectly every time. Keep training sessions short and enjoyable, and always end on a positive note to keep your cat motivated and engaged. In summary, teaching a cat to come when called involves using positive reinforcement training techniques, such as using a specific cue, offering rewards or treats, and providing praise and encouragement. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you can train your cat to come when called and strengthen the bond between you and your feline companion. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.